We're going to be talking about estrogen because this is something that comes up pretty frequently because there's certainly concerns here. I'm excited to talk about this topic of estrogen because it's something I think that people really fear. We're going to talk today about, is it a friend or a foe? Let's really kind of set the record straight as far as estrogen is concerned. We're going to be talking about, the potential risk, but I want to frame it in a certain way because I think one of the biggest things that women fear is the risk of cancer. The risk of breast cancer is probably one of the biggest things. So the first thing that I want to ask you guys, and I guess I'll let you share, what are some of your biggest fears as it relates to health risk? And maybe I'll just ask you specifically, do you have any idea of what is the leading cause of death in women? Breast cancer is what people fear. But my question is, do you know what the leading cause of death is in women? Let me give you some choices. Is it colon cancer? Is it breast cancer? Is it heart disease? What is the number one killer of women? It's actually heart disease. And what might shock you is to the level that heart disease is the leading killer of women. Let's talk about how many women die each year of heart disease versus how many women die each year of breast cancer. So let me just ask you, how many people, and again, I don't mean to be morbid, but I want you guys to understand the facts. So every year, about 40,000 women die of breast cancer. Every year, about 300,000 women die of heart disease. So that is like a factor of, let me see, about 7 times more. So about 7 times more women die of heart disease than they do of breast cancer. Does that surprise you? So with estrogen, there's actually a 40 to 50% reduction in heart disease. And this is study after study following women over long periods of time. If they've been on any kind of estrogen replacement therapy, you actually see a reduction in heart disease. So in most cases, estrogen is actually going to be beneficial to you for the prevention of heart disease. And when I say heart disease, I mean heart attack and stroke. And again, this may be something that you weren't aware of, but these are the benefits of estrogen that I want you to know. Again, the question is estrogen, friend or foe? I'm going to say for the majority of people, it is a friend. And I hope that now you can have a better understanding and not have to be fearful of estrogen. So I just want to remind you, that each individual is different. You should speak to your doctor, if you have needs as far as hormones are concerned. We would be happy to help you if you need some help one-on-one. We work with people who live in Missouri, Kansas, and California. And if you need some one-on-one help as far as your hormones are concerned, just type one-on-one. Our community specialists will reach out to you and we'll see if it's a good fit for us to work together. Again, I want you to remember that your body is divinely designed and has a great capacity to heal. You all be encouraged, and we'll see you next.